The welfare and you know welfare because the party ni enya bibia and also so na brabo koyi. Nti it looks like we focus near the welfare of the party in mano.
So we share me flyer be so much say we can only sustain the future of the party if we secure the base.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We can only
sustain the future of the party if we are able to secure the base of the party. Because the grassroots no you're stronger and a party no that change
so
strong. Yeah.
That is why I will focus na the welfare nti obi ahu de nti odi NDC achi no nya so mfa so a obebo party no ban.
Oh sure because one who say eduru mere bi na say me fan say party a co-opposition na say members in adwuma ya a very big problem.
Akoma FM 87.9
party no ho de ko form ye pass members no wo adwuma die bi dia ya omo ankasa no so le omo ye adwuma omo nyeska tambia na ma party no so ye den e strong ena ma omo anu mu so adwo wo omo anu mu so dwo ena se yetimi so biebie nwuma no a na ye fa Ghana fo a se be omo nya party fo ma na yetimi so fa MPP fo no bi so a different ba be kan because won hwe se oboto aba ma abanya o party enya o party intino
Heavy mudu.
Akoma FM
so boss party o no o bieta se na dwuma be koso no watimi so aye den
Yeah.
ama o ska so mo ayedu
Obi to aba because obi to aba ma party bi because bia who say aban mi bae no the boss ato na katuam.
yes
And you know we na aban mi ba be ha no a.
na o boss na ono ne adwuma na adwuma na wo ye na wo nya bi wo se party we na wo ban mu a betima abo
E be bo ano.
na ye nsusu ye nti wo hwe se aban yi bae no eniam a wo hyehye nyina no ye se economy ne begina ne naso na economy ne begina ne naso nsusu a na ye gina ma se bi o mo bibi o modwuma ene o mama say ya kan ya see inflation about from interest rate about from governor I say a bit more be single digit interest rate bit more be single digit ya ban hwe say yeah international reserve a bit me increase it to at least 15 months cover of at least $43 billion ni nyina no e traders ena bebo mo na o man bia nso ni hono ma na se nipa bia nso ni hono ma se be watimi ayeyi a or the donation in a year. Ubetimi ayeyi a business.
Yeah.
And a bit more because more now turn out turn. Say once the crown out the chassis. Buhuani say na multiply. Na economy na
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
A near associate head that make a conscious effort. So the China for head that make a conscious effort. Some person over 200 million people be billionaires. We need to also make a conscious effort. Say you better are intentional about it. My members no ebetimi ebibi wona hankasa adwuma na sebe ye my economy na ye ne ye my economy ne ye my members ho be kire wom emomo no ebeduru mrebi ne ebetimi di ansa sie ebu aka say we were conscious about this and your member we you've achieved this and it has to be deliberate.
Akoma FM 87.9
Tambia na metade Ghana to China ho hwe China 1979 omo economy no na ye ketua bi na nuru ye di krafa but the no in terms of global economics no China country be anywhere
In the next bare 5 minutes yama party for atiase de ugina hode ma the party for so atiase de ye ka lawyer Samuel Otoo ugina homa den de no de co national e de akoboa anya Ashanti region ko a ye de no ti wo kwa yenso ye person so ye odi de ko na emum obu ho hwe me ne bi ho hwe fi Savannah region any other areas no de na ubegina ho de ama at the national level for the party.
oh said the medical can media and say may call for the grassroots to ensure say you be secure the base of the party na your party for no do na no on one kasa bit ma bia wona adwuma na wagina wona na so osika famu sebe me share my adwuma say for almost 30 years ni no.
Akoma FM
Me
87.9
preach
Kumasi.
financial independence. Because me say nipa bia no sebe yesi ankote drum ra ni nyina na yeden haban. Ana yes. Empa ye bia ni hono mu asebe ebetimi asayare a amrako a
we know mini watu oyare pa me amahuna ni nani nyina na ayekoko oyare
we ya dwuma na seska wo botom a Akoma kura
zingum yare
so ada pa kura Akoma ne aha enti no enya dia sebe se obi be ma 500 cedis 1000 and ase ho an efe kan ya mamre do ho na enso so no ntimi ma wo nya da financial independence na
87.9 Kumasi.
enti me de me preacher ne say members no obi a wonya me adwuma bia ro konko bia bi enterprise na obi bia koko bia partnership akoko bia company na obi bia koko bia so officer construction consultancy agric and I say asore kra na peso bia kono ko bia
boni bia ni ho
na
boni bia
emre bi be ba ye ba be pushi ama obia say bia bind the contract ba original I was say members nso timi be di bi
yeah
na
capacity to do it
utimi eye adwuma no omo nso so asebe e wo say ye bo omo nso timi fa da omo education so no eno so no ye be ye na omo nso so timi afa da omo education sebe ya party no da ache no nso so no omo nso betimi arise no mo ba occupy positions a wo ho I was say head make conscious effort say nipa 2000 ye pese omo go into industrial engineering na near do omo ko with that objective.
yeah
Yes. Intermediate say I'm coming to secure the base of the party so we can all sustain the future of the party for the good of Ghanaians.